Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. I am super excited because I am going to share with you one of my favorite things. I absolutely love aromatherapy, and one of my favorite aromatherapy items I use is this. It is by Aromatherapy Associates, and let's go ahead and open it, and I will tell you all about it. So this little box is a miniature bath and shower oil collection. It is, again, by Aromatherapy Associates, and this is their emblem. So whenever you see this emblem, you know you have the right one. They sell other things too. They sell body wash and all kinds of fun things. Skincare things. Okay, in this box it has 10 therapeutic bath and shower oils. This retails for about $60. And let's see what else it says. Okay, experience the ultimate therapeutic splendor with this multi-award winning bath and shower oil collection. Complete with all Aromatherapy Associates bath and oil in 3 milliliter bottles, allowing for one unique bath or shower experience. Okay, it says that you can use it for one experience, but I don't use all of it in my shower bath. I just dribble it. I don't want to use all of it. I don't want it too strong. One of the things I do want you to be aware of is not recommended during pregnancy, and if you are suffering from a medical condition, seek advice from your doctor. So you can read those later. But here we go. Let's go ahead and open it. This would make an amazing gift for somebody. It would be wonderful for you. Some of the things I do with this is going to be really weird to some of you, but when I clean out my car the night before I take it to get vacuumed, I will put baking soda on the floor of my carpet, and then I'll sprinkle one of these on it. And so in the morning when I vacuum it, it all comes nice and fresh, and my car smells really, really, really good. So, well, to me, maybe not to others, but anyways. Okay, here we go. So, the collection has all 10 of these: Deep Relax, Light Relax, De-Stress Mind, De-Stress Muscle, Revive Morning, Revive Evening, Support Breathe. This is really, really good during this season when people get stuffy with pollen. Support Lavender and Peppermint, Equilibrium, and Inner Strength. And here are the beautiful little potions, which make me so happy. So the first one, Deep Relax. This is good for insomnia, overactive mind, or even exhaustion. So this helps for that. It has some sandalwood, and it helps you sleep and calm the mind and body. Sometimes I take a little dab, just like this, because you can still smell it, and I'll just put it right there. Since it's very strong, you do not need a lot. It says to use the whole bottle in your bathtub or your shower, but I do not. I'll use a few drops, or sometimes I'll take a little bit of it and I'll just rub it on my clothes. Not a lot, because it's very, very strong. So be careful with that. This one is the Light Relax. It is great for, of course, relaxation, anxiety, and worry. This has lavender, ylang ylang, and this helps you if you've had a busy day. This one is De-Stress Mind, and it is good if you're emotionally exhausted and you can't focus. This is really good for that. This has rosemary in it, and it helps with that. This one is de-stress and muscle. This actually has pepper, also rosemary in it. This is if you have sore muscles. So if you went for a walk and you're really tired and maybe you did a lot of stairs or you worked out, this would be good to put a few drops in your bathtub, the de-stress muscle. Okay, Revive Morning. This is one I need all the time when I'm waking up. Okay, I don't know why that makes me laugh, but it's because it's true. Okay, it's called Revive Morning. What's great about this one is it has grapefruit in it. Other things also, but it has grapefruit. You could also use it if you were on a plane with jet lag. This is to revive the evening. This has geranium and patchouli in it. This is good if you have low energy or low confidence, like if in the evening you're like not feeling great but you want to go out with your friends and you want to pep up. This is a good one. So this one is good for support breathe. It has eucalyptus. It's good for congestion and your immune system. That'd be a good one to take a bath at night. This is great for indigestion, exposure to heat, and travel sickness. Of course, it has lavender and peppermint in it. It relaxes the nervous tension and digestion. The 9th one supports the equilibrium. So this is pretty awesome. And the 10th one is for inner strength. So here they are, all 10 of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are one that enjoys the aromatherapy and taking a nice relaxing bath with a little bit of Epsom salts and a little bit of baking soda, these are for you. They're also a nice little gift. But I hope you enjoyed the video and I enjoyed sharing this with you. This is one of my favorite things. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.